Hi there, let me show you how to connect AirPods Pro to iPhone 15. Let's get started. And firstly, we need to open settings, go in the Bluetooth section and turn it on. After this, take your case, open it, and then turn it around and you'll see this button on the back part of the case. Just press and hold it until this indicator starts blinking white. Or in some cases, this notification can pop up without just using the button and you can connect them immediately, but for now let's just check it with the button. I'm gonna press and hold it, and now it is blinking white, and we can tap this button, connect. Here we just need to skip Siri, and now these AirPods are connected to your phone because you can see it in the list of my devices and the status connected. If you want to disconnect them, just tap this info icon. Here, scroll till the end and you'll see this option to disconnect and forget this device. And that's it. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.